Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take the document and go the other direction. So you've worked on it at home. You see how I've made my changes. Also, I'm going to label the document. There we go. So I've made some changes. Now I'm going to turn it back into one of these documents. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go File. And this time I am going to download. I'm going to download it as an Excel document. Now it'll take a moment. Here it goes right here. All right, so it is finished. I'm going to go ahead and open this right here and go in Show in Folder. Now the folder that it opens is my download folder. Let me make this a little larger so you can see. So it's Documents, Downloads. The next time, another thing I'm going to show you is I always have it date modified, because if I have it named like this, it puts it at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it named or date modified. You can tell it's date modified by this shark's tooth right there. So here is my new Excel document. It's November 1st. Okay, so now I'm going to take this, I'm going to click, I'm going to hold, and I'm going to drag. Okay, next step you do is you click the Replace, and that will now change the Excel document to today's current date. And if I double click on this, you will see that it's the blue version. Let me click on Formulas, just double checking to make sure that they all went through. And they did, so seamlessly it goes back and forth, back and forth. You just have to remember which one is the most current. Okay? To turn it in to the assignment churn-in folder, all you have to do is move the Biz folder off and out of the way. Open up the assignment churn-in folder. Open up Church Drop, Biz Drop, and then take the file and drag it and put it into the folder. And if there's one in there, you can replace it. And there we go. That's how you turn in assignments to the Biz Drop folder on the server. Thank you.